Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make turmeric coffee. These are the ingredients you're going to need. I started this time around by brewing my coffee first and setting it aside, but you can also reverse it and make the almond milk spice mixture first if you want to, and then brew your coffee while that mixture is cooling down. But today I decided to just brew my coffee first. Then in a small saucepan over the stove, I warm up my almond milk. You can use whatever type of milk you like. Plant-based, cow's milk, whatever. Add your spice mixture to the almond milk on the stove. Then you add your honey, add your vanilla extract, whisk everything up really, really nice. You do not want this mixture to come to a boil. You just want to warm it up. Then add your black coffee to this mixture. Whisk it up again real nice so it's combined, and pour it into your coffee mug to enjoy it. I hope you guys like this. It's nice, earthy, warm, slightly sweet, a lot of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that are super, super healthy.